Go in with some like orange, orangish colors, and we'll see. I'm thinking about going in with probably like these two colors right here, and add a little bit of shimmer to it. Don't know. Let's see what we end up with. I really like this palette. So let's get started with this and make this my transition. This shade right here, Velour. I'm gonna go with this one. It's somewhat of a like a light peachy color. I love this because it's got this big so that's my transition shade. I think I'm gonna do a little bit more. I want to see the build up on this. Okay, so we're gonna take a little of the heroic mixed with the power. We're gonna mix them and we're gonna go on the inner of the crease. And let's go a little bit more dense of a blending brush. This is my Luxie 205 tapered blending. We're gonna go in with the heroic. Ooh, just very light. And I'm just going to, I'm gonna do a little bit of highlight on the brow bone. I think I'm gonna highlight with a little bit of Fierce. And for my pop of color on the lid, we're just gonna go with a little bit of Medusa. This is her right here. We're gonna take our finger. I'm just gonna take a dense brush because it didn't go as it as wanted it to. And I'm just gonna dab into it. And back in with our Luxie brush, just tapping a little bit of hero. We're gonna go in with, here it is, Epic, just on the inner corner. Tiny brush, gonna tap it into Epic. We're just gonna dab in the inner corner. The brush, which would be, and this one doesn't have a name on it. We're gonna dab into Heroic, and we're just going to line the bottom of the eyes with a little bit of it. Pretty much smoking it out. I think. So here you guys have it. Here's the finished product. I just did a white waterline, and I just put on my lashes, and like I said, I just went ahead and finished the face. So this is the full face with foundation and all. I even went all the way down to my neck, and I have a little bit of highlight on. My favorite highlighting palette from Bad Habit will be the highlight, the Rosé collection. I love it, love it, love it, love it. Absolutely wonderful. So this is the look that I went with. I went with a red lip because, like I'm doing a black shirt today. So I went with a red lip, love color, love, 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 love color. And then this is my lip, the finished lip, the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink. Favorite lipstick. If you want the lipstick that's going to stay, this will definitely do it. The only con I have about it is that it takes a minute to dry. The pro, it lasts all day, or at least, shoot, I eat everything in it, and I might have to just touch it up maybe once a day, one time, literally for a whole day of me being at work, through eating and all. It's great. And I talk a lot at work, teach classes, all. So this is great. Love this lip. So this is the finished look. Leave comments below. Let me know what you think. If you guys have anything that you would like to see me do, feel free to also let me know. You can also email me anything. Follow me on Instagram as well. Follow me on Snapchat. Leave your comments, your anything, whatever looks that you would like to see me do. Leave them down below. Love you guys. Thanks for following. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and set that bell. Love you guys. Bye. Thanks.